Okay, good morning, good morning, good morning. Stocks go up, stocks go down. Then we see, and yesterday Sam posted, so people are getting smart. I mean, Sam posts, the stars are aligned. Isn't that interesting comment? And he says, Meta is doing so many chips. And if you're going to spend that type of chip, and if Zuckerberg is going to go do a video on it, buying NVIDIA chips, he's not doing that if he's not making money. I mean, there's nothing really else to say. That was straightforward. We thought that would go. I thought it could get to 441. It's 463. It was 466. You got 472, 491. You got SMCI 600, and it just doesn't stop. I mean, it's up $300 in 2 weeks. I mean, unbelievable. Now today, if Microsoft closes, if it gets over 410.80 in the first hour, it has a chance to hit high of year. So you're going to get you're going to get SCMI high of year, Meta high of year, Microsoft possibly high of year. NOW looks like it can go to high of year. So why is anybody buying Tesla? Guys, don't do this stuff. We told you Tesla has shit for news. Why are you doing this? Don't do this. Amazon. Cloud is insane. The snowman. Chilly. Are you chilly? Interesting. So crazy. We have news coming here in 5 minutes. And does it take the market way up or not? If you had 30, market's up 30, you're at 49.36. Looks like 5,000 possible if we rip 50 on this. Avago starting to move. NVIDIA is at 641. Just nonstop. NVIDIA got to 607 on the earnings before Google and Microsoft. And it was just, I mean, Sam sat there and he said, the clouds are better. Why are these things down? Okay? So people are they just think, oh my God, let's sell profits, let's take profits, they take profits, and then they miss the trade. Don't miss the trade. Okay? The logic is the logic. The logic is simple. This is not even complex. If SMCI is building more boxes, they need more memory. Land Research goes from 900 to 830. It's going to go to 1,000. Give it a month. It's probably 950. Okay, but it doesn't matter that it's just so it's down for a while. Look at Adobe. Adobe, if it crosses 636 in the first 10 minutes, it's going to hit 650 today. Okay. ASML, we sold those yesterday. We bought them at 2. They went to 10. We sold them at what, 350ish. Took our point. It's better than losing money, and it's moved a lot. Okay, everything doesn't move a lot every day. Okay, but the market is up. It's up. It's going higher. I mean, the people that are shorting don't get it. MDB hasn't moved in a while, but I'm not so certain MDB isn't 480 after earnings. So it's got 60 more points up. If Snowman can take out 211 today at the open, it can go to 216 today. Can it take it out? I don't know. Watch Land Research, because Land Research could have a 30-point day out. I mean, it just can't. Okay? And that's what we know. But we have 5 minutes to waste. If somebody wants to raise their hand and say something, where's Peter? Peter here? Is Peter here? Did he wake up? Let me see. I don't see anybody raising their hands to talk. Everybody's like, Sam, I'm making too much money. I'm in bed. The heels are on the floor. That's what I know. Here you go. Mr. Shervina unmuted. You are unmuted. How are you? Shervinavas. Rhonda, you have to unmute yourself.
Hey, Sam, can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Yeah, Sam, awesome. Actually, I really want to thank from the bottom of heart. I actually took almost a year break because it was not working. I came in January. I don't know, like I think account went like just from the Nvidia and SMC. I am following like every trade of yours. This is just amazing, like unimaginable. I think my first my goal will be just to protect this one. I just thank you. Even Meta, I just took like just based on your comment. I don't know, like it's like now 30 times or something. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Appreciate it. So here's the thing, guys. If you want to get better, there's opportunities. I mean, you don't have to buy lots. I mean, Sam told you Meta can go to 441. Do you want to take that shot? That was so cheap. They're $1. 80 cents. They're down to 80 cents. And now they're going to be $20. Not $10, $20, guys. I mean, this is insane. But it's just starting. They don't understand. This was the quarter. People like, Apple's going to be no good. Who gives a shit? Guys, I like Apple as a company, great company. But I don't give a shit because I'm not playing it. Remember, can have this attitude of as soon as I sell it, I don't care about this. I don't care. If you do that, you will get better. Mr. Sawyer, you're going to have to unmute yourself.
Yes, sir. Did
What's
I?
going on?
Well, we're in Texas while you're in New York, and it's still Texas. So, Sam, I just wanted to thank you for all what you're doing. And the other part is, we still got some big boys to release earnings: Avago, Nvidia, Snowflake,
Exactly.
and
Exactly.
I
And it's
sent you a
fun.
private message the other night about, hey, I want to call, and it just boils down to your video in what your risk limits are, or
Absolutely.
knowing you.
Absolutely. You know,
Anyway.
the hardest part for people is when they come in and they start, they want to make huge money right away. And you have to learn how to sell, get some profits, and then you take some shots, right? So
Yes, sir. So, anyway, I just wanted to say thanks. Enjoy. Is this your first time to New York?
I haven't been to New York in 25 years.
Well, that's awesome. I've not yet to go. My wife and daughters have been 3 times, but I need to go just to say I've done it.
Very nice. Let's see what SPX does here. Noel, you are unmuted. You need to unmute yourself.
Hey, do you hear me?
We can hear you. How are you?
Hey, good, thanks, Sam. So you're in New York when I'm not in New York anymore? This is how it works, Sam?
that's that's
No,
how.
Oh, no, but I think you know some part of my story. I want to just take a few, maybe a minute at max to share, but I've been in and out of the room a few times. And I think the biggest mistake when we start is thinking, as you say, we can play it big, we can make big shots, we can copy Sam. I'm not Sam. I tried those mistakes before. I'll be totally honest, but um, I came back with a more of a plan to be steady. To I write down actually the lessons of the videos, or every time you say, go slow, build your account, take profit, but there is always a few trades where you're like, I'm gonna let it run, and it's gonna blow to like 50 per contract, and then no. But getting better. I will not say I'm
Very,
definitely there, but you
hate to
know
cut
the
you
thing.
off, but let me cut you off here. The jobs report is about to come.
Go ahead.
Let's see
Okay.
what you.
So
Let's
anyway,
see what.
go ahead.
But thank you, thank you, thank you.
Anytime.
Hold on. So I don't even know what they're expecting on here, but I think the data is going to be good. And here's the thing. So who cares if they lower rates in a month? Here we go. Here's the jobs. It dropped about 10. And now dropped 12, not down 15. Where did Meta go? Meta did not drop. Just more jobs created. They don't understand the economy is great. He told you it's great. Wow, 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 wow. But the tech didn't really drop, okay? Interesting. So, very, very interesting. SPX up 14. I actually like SPX to go higher. Let it come down. They're going to sell it. They're going to say, oh my God, we're going to sell, and then it's going to go back up later. But it doesn't matter because techs are going up. Techs are going up. The news in techs is that good. Amazon is that good. Meta is that good. Just stunning. Then we see. Okay? So chill, relax. Play techs. Maybe we go up. Maybe we go down a little bit. The techs are going to be good. We're going to do a meetup tonight at Yard House. So anybody that's around here, please join us. Okay, let's get started. SPX is up 14. That puts it at 29. Let's say 29.20-ish, somewhere in there. You got 29.21, 29.32, 29.52. Upside, downside. 48.91 would be a big number. Avago 12.21, 12.52. Nvidia 6.42, 6.49. ASML working lower. If ASML works back lower, then we may add a week to it and go back into the 900s for next week. Okay. Adobe 6.32, 6.36. Lam Research 8.52. Lilly starting to slowly move up, 6.67, 6.72. Snowman 211 is a big number. If it gets to 211, we are going to run. Goldman Sachs doing nothing, 291, fails again. MDB, like it for earnings. That's the next big earning ones. We'll keep an eye on that. AMD 176, 181. Meta 466, 472. Amazon 172, 179. SCMI 603, 609. Microsoft. Wow. If it gets to 411, it can get to higher here. Let's see if it can get to 411. NOW 782, 789. Tesla 182, 179. Boeing. Why is anybody buying Boeing? These people are just insane. But it's okay. Let them be insane. Okay. Comments, questions? Can SCMI get? Yes, SCMI can get to 1,000, but it's not going to happen in a week or a month. Maybe 9 months, maybe a year. Then we see. Tesla opening some new factories. Snow soon. Are you surprised that Apple is getting whacked? Don't even have Apple on my screen, guys. Why do you have Apple on your screen? I've told you this. Something you need to learn about trading. You have to trade the stuff that moves. How can you play Apple if it moves $2? Oh, I want to take 10 cents to 30 cents. I'm happy. No, you're not happy. You're not happy, okay? I mean, play the things that are moving. Then you'll do fine. That's what we know. Meta looks like it can go all the way to 472, guys. Okay? That's what we know. Everybody have a great 10 day. See you in chat.